Good morning, everyone. So, can you please introduce yourselves?
Hello, I'm Aaron Joshi. I'm from Kollam. I'm a second year student from BNMU.
Hello, I'm Sri Lakshmi. I am from Palakkad, Kerala. I am studying in Bogomolets National Medical University. I am a second year student.
Good morning, I'm Varsha. I'm from Bangalore. I'm a second year medical student at Bogomolets National Medical University, Kiev.
So, why have you not chosen India for your medical education?
Actually, I had pretty good scores in NEET, but not enough to get into a government medical college. And the private medical colleges had pretty high fee structures, which I couldn't afford. And Ukraine had quite an affordable fee structure, which is why I chose Ukraine.
Since the exam is being implementing, it made sense for me to study in Ukraine with an affordable fee structure and also in an excellent reputed university with a good infrastructure and everyone is getting equal opportunity in coming years.
So, why did you choose Ukraine?
The first thing I looked into was the ECTS, that is a European credit transfer system. This helps you to continue medical courses in UK and the rest of the European countries easily.
So, what are the advantages that you feel that you get while studying in Ukraine?
There are many advantages to studying in Ukraine. First of all, we have the ECTS system. Second of all, the fee structure is very affordable. Additionally, the MD degree is an integrated internship system which also gives us an advantage over the normal MBBS degree that we do in India. Also, there is an inclusion of the latest subjects in medicine such as combat medicine and hygiene which are of great importance in our daily lives.
Ukraine is also a European Union associated country and soon to be a member of European Union, which gives us much more opportunities. It is also a beautiful country with famous tourist spots in Europe.
When I heard about an opportunity to study in one of the best medical colleges at an affordable fee structure, I thought why not? Moreover, studying in a European country, learning about European culture and having new life experiences, all of this made me thrilled.
So, why did you choose Bogomolets?
Bogomolets National Medical University is a 176-year-old university. There are more than 2,000 foreign students studying in BNMU.
It is considered as the top medical university by Ministry of Health and Ministry of Education. It also boasts a very high world ranking.
So, how did you get to know about VPSA?
VPSA was recommended to me by a senior. VPSA helped me with all my admission and visa procedures.
I was also recommended by a senior student. VPSA has been there throughout in my admission processes.
I was also referred to VPSA consultancy by a senior. VPSA took care of all my documentation, accommodation, and visa processing very well. It made my transition from India to Ukraine very easy, and so I would definitely recommend VPSA consultancy to anyone looking for MBBS admissions in Ukraine. Thank you.